Alright, so here's the newest addition to my rust addiction. 64 Ford pickup. Just heading home with it. And I'm sure you've all been in this boat. Alright? So we're about, what, 2 miles from the house?
2 miles, yeah.
2 miles, yeah. We made it 2 miles. All right, 60 miles an hour down the highway. Oh, what's that? Yep. Yeah, we've all been here. So now we've got, of course, you know, we have tires. 6 lug.
If you
No,
you're on the wrong station.
yeah, no star wrench. So, you know, we get to take it off the truck and yeah, and go get a spare. Gotta love the hobby. Alright, so let's start this video out with, you know, do I need this 64 Ford half-ton project? No, I don't need it. Does a stamp collector need another stamp? Does a coin collector need another penny? Does he need another silver dollar? No, he doesn't need it. But does he want it? Sure. That's why it's called collecting, people. So here I am. I'm collecting rusty old projects. It's my hobby. So you know, that's where that's at. So I picked up the 64 Ford pickup project here. Oh, last fall sometime, last summer, I don't know. You know. Do I need it? No, I don't need it. Did I get it? Yep, I got it. And I probably won't ever do anything with it, but somebody will. So, you know, somebody down the road's gonna be happy I got it. So anyway, let's check it out. So this very unique vehicle, it was somebody else's project. You know, so what we got here is a 400M engine that somebody has put in it, and they took out of a truck that was obviously 4-wheel drive, because when I first looked at it, and you can tell this is a 2-wheel drive truck with a straight axle or a twin I-beam suspension. But then you look inside here and you've got a 4-speed with a transfer case shifter here, and in a 2-wheel drive truck. So, you know, really the only thing it's missing is a you know, 4-wheel drive front end, which you know, I'm probably never going to do anything with it, you know, but somebody will. That's why I collect them, save them from, you know, the crusher or whatever's going to happen to them. And I'm going to pass this on to some lucky kid, hopefully young person, that will put a front end in it and make it into a 64 4-wheel drive half-ton pickup. So I just thought it was unique. You know, addicted to the rust, addicted to collecting, you know, stuff. So here it is. It's pretty complete. You know, it's just missing a front end, which probably wouldn't be that hard to put in. Yeah, man, it's tight in here. You know, he only got so much room to put stuff, and it's not like you can stack it up like cordwood. But anyway, I got it from a guy that got it from a neighbor, and he didn't get the title with it. So when I bought it, I chased down the neighbor and got the title. And the guy that put this engine and stuff in it said, you know, it ran when parked. So, you know, here it is. You know, yeah, did I need it? No. Did I get it? Yep. Along with everything else that I didn't need. But, you know, it's all good. And somebody's going to enjoy it. You know, somebody will come along and want it, and I'll pass it on. So it's got a complete grill. I think there might be a little dent, a little imperfection right there, but the truck's pretty complete. It has all the parts and pieces. I'm gonna walk down the side, give you guys a good view. It's not all rusted out, you know. I don't even see a lot of the rust that's in the normal rusted out areas. The door bottoms are pretty solid. Let's see here. Yeah, you know, there's no pretty solid. Let's check out this floor real quick here. Yeah, that's you usually don't find them this solid. That's for sure. You know, do the windows roll up? Of course they don't. Door shuts nice. The bed's pretty straight. I haven't cleaned it out, but I don't think it's all rusted out. The bed. I love the patina. For a patina truck, this is perfect. Needs a windshield, of course, but I think all the glass is good. Otherwise, it's got that wraparound bumper. I really like that. Tailgate took a bang, but you know, well, I guess the bumper here's got a little wow in it. The bed's pretty rust free. Well, we got a little rust in the back of the corner of the cab. The door is amazingly solid. This front fender, it's all pretty straight. You know, the hood's not all dented or rusted out. It does definitely need a windshield, but I think it's gonna make somebody a really good project. And I think let's see, get under here and see. I think this is a straight axle. I don't even think it's a twin I-beam. Yeah, see, can you see that? You see that there? That's a straight axle. It's not even the twin I-beam setup here, so I don't know if that came around 65, 66, that twin I-beam, but that's a straight axle. So the guy that put this together drove it around as a two-wheel drive. He just never got around to putting a front end in it to make it four-wheel drive. So no, pretty solid. You know, you just for a 64, you just don't find them this solid. You know, I don't care, you know, really where you live. Maybe Arizona or California, but you know, yeah, I don't know. I'd say overall she's pretty solid and a good project. So yeah, I'm glad to add it to my collection, and here it sits until somebody else thinks they want it worse than I do. You know, I'm not rich enough to keep everything, so pretty much everything is for sale. You know, it's just a matter of finding the right person. You know, all right, everybody, thanks for watching. Just thought I'd show you another one of the mini projects I collect up and save for the next person down the road, or you know, maybe I'll live to 250 years old and get to play with it myself someday. Who knows? All right, thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time. This looks like it's a stock hole in the top of the door. You know, if anybody knows what that is, you know, leave it in the comment, because I have no clue. 64 Ford half-ton two-wheel drive truck with that. I have no clue. So if you know what that is, please let me know. Thanks. There's one of these on the passenger side on the door too, and it's definitely a stock deal. So yeah, who knows?